Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into some top strategies for dominating Monopoly Go without needing to hack or glitch. So if you are looking to become the ultimate tycoon, stick around because I've got some valuable tips to share. So without further delay, let's get started. First off, to make the most of Monopoly Go, it is crucial to stay updated. So follow Monopoly Go on Instagram and join their Discord group. Make sure you turn on the notifications for both the games and these platforms. Why? Because they regularly drop free dice and you will want to be the first to grab them. Next up, take advantage of quick wins and the free gifts from the game's store. Complete daily quick wins to earn free dices, stickers, and cash. The store gives you a free gift every 8 hours, so time it right and you could snag up to 3 gifts a day. These can include dice, money, stickers, and event drops. Are you worried about bots stealing your money? So, one effective way to protect your cash is by inviting friends to play with you. Add them to your leaderboard and have them help out with heist shutdowns. If you are still concerned, you can use the invite link that I will give in the description to join my friends list and I'll help you out in this. Now let's talk about the strategy. So you need to save up your money for the color wheel sub event. The more board you build during this event, the more spins you will get on the color wheel. This boosts your chances of winning the high value prizes like the 1-star gold pack or the 4-star blue pack. Completing sticker collections also helps you got more dice. Finally, managing your dice and multipliers is the key. So if you are saving up dice, use a no build strategy. You need to set a dice quota like 1000 dice and don't build until you reach that number. Once you do, set your multiplier high to maximize your cash and prizes. For less than 500 dice, use a 5x multiplier or for more, go with 20x. This helps you get the most out of your rolls and boost your game progress. So there you have it, top tips to excel in Monopoly Go without any cheat codes or hacks. I hope these strategies help you become the best tycoon out there. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tips and tricks. Drop your questions and thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.